Hey, yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on another one of my videos. I am just chilling at my local skate park right now, and I decided to make a quick video over the rust problems on these Dodge Chargers. I have owned two of these Dodge Chargers. It's the 6th generation. That is from 2006 to 2010. I've owned two of these Dodge Chargers, and they have both had the same problem. And many other Chargers suffer from this same problem as well. All right, as you see, we're at the passenger side. It's a little dirty. You're gonna have to bear with me here. But, boom, there it is. My biggest fear. Rust is obviously starting to form right here. Got a little bit of bubbling all the way up to here. Rust is bleeding through right there. Open the door, you come inside of the car, see it's starting to form right there as well. Not a pretty sight, you know, it's a bummer. I hate Illinois. This is what you get living in the Midwest. There's harsh winters, lots of salt on the road. But I bought it and it had this little issue. It hasn't really gotten worse, but it will. Trust me, it will. But the person who owned it before me, he owned it for 10 years and he kept it in the garage. He did drive it in the winter, but I mean, this was garage kept and it was well maintained. So how does this happen? Well, for some reason, Dodge pretty much has filled this whole entire part right here in various spots of this whole body with a liquid foam. I have no idea why they put it in there. If you take off this little black piece, I'm pretty sure you can literally see the foam. But what that foam does is literally soak up all that salt and all of that water, which leads to rust. And it is always right here. I mean, it's never anywhere else. I don't even think it's usually in the front. Yeah, I'm sure it happens in the front occasionally, but I really see the main culprit is always back here. And that's because when you're driving rear wheel drive, all that salt water is getting caught right behind here. All that salt, all that, you know, black ice, and it just chills there, you know. For my SRT8, it actually was in pretty good condition. It did not have anything like this, but it just started right back here. Only I could really see it because I'd get down here and inspect. You can see it starting to rust right here. You head to the other side. Actually, this side's pretty good. There's no signs of rust, but if you look really closely, little tiny paint chip right there, so I'm guessing it's only a matter of time. To give you a look at the bottom, as you see, it's not too rusty at all for being daily driven in the Midwest winter for 12-13 years. This is in good condition, as a matter of fact. Yes, so that is just my fair warning to you guys. When you guys are looking at buying these used, whether it's Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, the dealership, always check right there by the rear wheels if you see any rust happening. I did get quoted $600, $700 to get this cut out, a new piece of metal welded to it, and paint corrected to kind of give it a semi-permanent fix. I'm pretty sure even with that, it's gonna come back eventually, but it's going to be very much delayed, possibly by 5 to 10 years, I hope. Some people just kind of sand it down, put clear coat on it and paint over it again, but that's really very temporary. That can maybe last a year. I did that to my old Escalade and it literally lasts like every 6 months. I'd have to redo it. So what do you guys think? Is this worth fixing? If you own this Charger right here, is that worth fixing to you guys? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. It's the only rust blemish. I do plan on keeping this car for a couple more years, but I also plan on beating it up. I plan on putting heavy miles on it. I know by the time I'm ready to sell it, it's not going to be worth much anyways. I don't know how much a rust-free car will add to the value. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Last kickflip of the season. Winter's coming. Let's get a better one, right? There we go.